And I'm back again. We are back again. This is part 2, and it's even better. It's even better this time. Even better. So I pray that you'll enjoy these, the video of nature, videos of nature, the trees and the homes, and even the road and the sky. Hope that you look at that. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. They have lights on the inside. Beautiful. Beautiful. Feel that you're enjoying these beautiful field, beautiful country fields. Beautiful. Yeah, so you know, this is it. This is where it's at. This is it. So you know, there's nothing. That's why I love driving out. People say, "Oh, I gotta go. I got some. I live a whole hour away, 2 hours away." I said, "That's fine. I'll drive. I'll do it. I'll drive. No problem. No problem at all. I'll drive in a minute." I love getting out and driving. This is so peaceful, beautiful, beautiful day, beautiful day. So yes, I just decided today this is what I want to do. Taking pictures of nature. Pictures of nature. This is what I want to do. I love doing it. I love talking about it. I love inspiring you guys. I love doing this. I always love coming out, and it's amazing how God works, because every time I would go out to pick up a lawnmower or pick up a bicycle or something, I would always say, "Man, this is beautiful. This is beautiful." People could see, you know. People could see this, could see what I'm seeing. I used to always say that, and it's funny. Now that's exactly what I'm doing. Capturing where you all can see. It's amazing how God works. God's timing is perfect. That's tobacco. Tobacco, more tobacco there. Tobacco here. Look at all that tobacco out there. Look at all of that tobacco. Whole tobacco field. Look at all of that. Tobacco field. Beautiful home. I think, yeah, more tobacco on this side. All this tobacco. Beautiful. Y'all can hear me saying that a lot. I think it's a habit. I don't know. I get better. Beautiful, wonderful. We have a little store right here, a little country store, a Mexican restaurant. Sinclair Lake. Then they have a Dollar General. So I'll do another 12. I like 12. We'll do another 12 minutes, and this will be our part 2. So y'all can be along on the journey. Y'all comment. Y'all comment and like it. Comment and like it. Comment and like it, and